Okay, so I am Imani underscore Yvonne2 on Twitter, ABM Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram, and today I'm going to be talking about dealing with wealthy men who are stingy. First of all, I feel like a lot of people get caught up in this because they get caught up in glitz and glam and forget their standards. Number one, there's no point in being with anybody of any standing. It doesn't matter what class they are from if they really are being stingy, because it's just going to lead you down a long road of nothingness with them. You guys aren't going to share any experiences together. You're not going to travel together. You're not going to do anything but breathe on each other and go out to eat maybe a few times, okay? So this is why I'm against it. It doesn't matter what their income is. A stingy man is a stingy man is a stingy man. It doesn't matter where they come from. So what you can do about this to either place them or replace them is to let them know, look, if I wanted to be with somebody who has nothing and can afford to do nothing, then I will be with somebody who has nothing. Okay? I'm not going to waste my time with someone who contributes nothing, wants to do nothing, and wants to hold out on me, because I'm going to continue to live my life and do exciting things, and I don't think you should be a part of that if you have nothing to add to it. You know, I don't even tolerate that from my friends, you know. So I think more people need to be honest and upfront with these individuals, because what's left? Either they're going to take all the nothing that they're already not giving you and go on and give somebody else nothing, or they're going to start to give you something, you know. But there's no loss on a stingy man, whether he's wealthy or not, because honestly, they're just going to be that way and feel like everybody should be tolerating it, basically because he's the prize. It's basically like dating a woman who just adds nothing to your life but looking good, and that is still more than what stingy men do, because at least, you know, a good looking woman can arouse you probably enough where you don't even have to have sex with her, you know. So you definitely want to just be upfront and honest with these people, and make sure they're respecting you, because the thing is, the fact that they're treating you very in a stingy way is like they're kind of treating you like a fan in a way, or like they don't trust you. And if that's the case, if they don't trust you or don't trust spending money around you, then how can you build anything with them like that? You know, it's not going to go anywhere if this person doesn't treat you like a human being, but more so as a caged dog that they just take to them in certain places. And understand, and making them understand that your needs are important too. I understand that they feel like all the things that they want to do is important, but you have to feel valued also, or there's no equality here. It's already not equal, because it's a man dragging you around, not doing anything that you want him to do. So it's already not equal. But make that very clear when you are talking to these individuals, that you're not going to stick around for nothing just because of the thrill of somebody having something. You can do nothing with a lot of people who have nothing, or who have just as much as him, or maybe a little bit less but give more. So it's kind of no point. So yeah, you guys can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram if you want to set up a session. Sessions are $95, up to 10 questions, and they are email based, so no appointment needed, no phone calls, and you can also hit me up on Twitter and DM me there and just tell me you need a session. And yeah, and that's it, and I will be talking to you guys. See you guys in the next video. Love you guys.